fun. When you're actually working with your hands, you're not just sitting there at a desk. You've got things to do. If I finish a piece of work, immediately Bill will come up and go, right, well now you've done this, what about if you tried this?
I never thought of welding, and then I saw a video online and I thought it was quite interesting. I was told in World War II a lot of women were doing the welding, so I think more women should definitely do it because it's a great career.
It equips the students with the skills they need to get into the industry.
You can work on the shipyards, you can work underwater.
There's the oil industry where they could go onto the rigs. The automotive industry, they could use MIG welding in garages, and it just opens up that whole vista of engineering.
I am going to apply for either the Royal Marine Commandos or the REME Regiment, the Royal Electrical Mechanical Engineers, and join as an artificer or an armourer.
I'd like to be a full-time welder, mainly working in different environments, haven't quite chosen yet.
All the staff in this department have been in industry.
They break it down for you step by step because it's a hard trade to get into, so they'll go through something time and time again until you get it.
With the kind of smaller classes that you do have here, it's a lot quicker to get constructive criticism.
Only about 2 hours of the week you're actually doing paperwork, and the rest of it you're doing either welding or fabrication.
We start at level 1 for school leavers, which is a basic introduction, which leads to a certificate. Then they'll go on to level 2, welding in the downhand position, or in the flat. Level 3 certificate where they weld in the vertical position, and level 3 diploma where they weld in the overhead position. And once they've finished all 3 courses, they'll be an all-positional welder.
Just because I can sit here and I can weld 2 pieces of metal, I might know how to weld them 2 pieces of metal together, but it doesn't mean that I don't know the science behind it as well, which is quite nice.
It can be very frustrating and challenging, but very exciting at the same time, and you get to see how you progress week after week.